Let me tell you a harsh truth. If you're broke in 2025, it's not because there's no opportunity. It's because you're stuck learning outdated things. Today, I'll show you 5 digital skills that anyone, yes, even you, can learn and start making serious money with, even if you've never done it before. No degree, no connections, just skills that pay the bills. Let's get into it. Before we start, remember, learning is easy, but applying is where most people fail. So I'll not only tell you what the skills are, but also how to learn them and WHERE to start making money. Ready? Let's dive into skill number 1. 1. Copywriting. The money skill copywriting is the art of using words to sell emails, sales pages, ads. Brands pay thousands for just one good sales email. Why? Because good copy makes people buy. How to learn. There's plenty of free stuff out there. Check out YouTube channels like Alex Catoni or Neville Medora. Or read the book, The Boron Letters. It's kind of old but has classic timeless principles. How to earn. Get started on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or cold email small businesses. You can earn $100, $500 per project once you get good. Power tip. Learn to write emotional headlines. That alone can double your results. 2. Graphic design, visual money. Every brand, YouTube channel, or business needs design. Thumbnails, logos, social media posts. Design is everywhere. How to learn. If you're a beginner, start with Canva. It's free and powerful. As you level up, try Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop. How to earn. You can freelance, start an Instagram page and offer services, or sell designs on marketplaces like Etsy or Creative Market. Power tip. Combine design with niche knowledge, like real estate or fitness, and you will become unstoppable. 3. Social media management. The hidden gold mine. Most businesses suck at posting consistently and creating content. That's where you come in. Run their pages, post content, reply to DMs. How to learn. Follow creators like Rachel Pedersen or Latasha James. Practice by managing your own page first. How to earn. Offer your service to local businesses or online coaches. Start charging $200 a month and scale up fast. Power tip. Learn how to schedule posts with tools like Buffer or Relator. Makes your work 10x easier. 4. Video editing. The viral skill video is the future. Every YouTuber, business, and content creator needs editors. If you can cut clips, add captions, and make videos more engaging, you're valuable. How to learn. If you're starting out, use free tools like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. Follow YouTube tutorials for short-form editing. How to earn. Offer editing services to TikTokers, YouTubers, or Instagram pages. Start with short-form reels. They're in huge demand. Power tip. Learn trendy caption animations. It alone can get you hired. 5. Affiliate marketing. The passive play. You don't need your own product to make money. You can promote someone else's and earn commission. How it works. Sign up on affiliate platforms like Amazon, ClickBank, or Digistore24. Promote links through TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or a blog. How to learn. Follow creators like Jordan Platten or Franklin Hatchett. Start by promoting simple digital tools or courses. Power tip. Build trust first, sell later. Nobody buys from pushy beginners. Here's the truth. These 5 digital skills are not just side hustles. They re-money machines if you treat them seriously. You don't need to master all of them. Just pick one and go deep. The first 30 days will be messy, but after 90 days, you could be making more than a college graduate. If this video helped you, drop a fire emoji in the comments and tell me which skill you're going to learn first. And don't forget to hit subscribe because I'll be dropping deep, real money-making guides every single week. Now let me tell you something. The internet is still Wild West. It's easy to make money, but most people screw it up because they're too afraid to get started. When I was 19 years old, I started my first business, which was a tech blog. At first, it was just a hobby, but then I realized I could turn it into a source of income. I didn't know anything about business, but I was willing to learn. I spent hours reading books and watching YouTube videos on how to grow a website and make money online. It wasn't easy, but I was determined to succeed. One day I stumbled upon an article about Google AdSense, which allows website owners to display ads on their sites and earn revenue based on clicks or impressions. I decided to apply for AdSense and got approved. The first few months were tough and I barely made any money, but I didn't give up. I continued to publish high-quality content and optimize my site for SEO. Then something amazing happened. My website started getting more traffic, and I began earning a few $100s each month. It was a dream come true, and I felt so accomplished knowing that I had built a successful business from scratch. But my journey didn't end there. I continued to grow my online presence and explore new ways to make money online, like selling digital products and affiliate marketing. It wasn't always easy, and there were times when I wanted to quit, but I knew that with hard work and dedication, I could achieve my goals. Looking back, I'm proud of everything I've learned and accomplished. It's been an incredible journey, and I can't wait to see what the future holds. Remember, it's never too late to start. With the right mindset and attitude, you can achieve your dreams and build a successful business. Just believe in yourself and don't give up. You see, most people want to play it safe and stick to what they know. They think it's too risky to start something new and different. But here's the truth. Doing what everyone else does will get you average results. To win, you need to take a risk and learn these new skills. I know it's scary, but think about the alternative. You stay the same and you end up with the same results. What do you have to lose by trying something new? Yes, you might look stupid at first, but who cares? You're doing it for yourself, not for others. This is your time. Don't waste it playing it safe. Take action and start today. Trust me, you won't regret it. If you're hungry to learn and grow, if you want to break free from the rat race and build a life you're excited about, if you're ready to leave your comfort zone and unleash your full potential, then hit that subscribe button right now. Join our awesome community of over 100,000 ambitious individuals who are leveling up their skills and crushing it in the online world. Together, we'll unlock new possibilities, crush limiting beliefs, and build the life you're after. Stop waiting and start living. Subscribe to Leave Lip Studio if you're ready to escape the 9-to-5 and start building real income. This is your time. Let's seize it together.